they've shown you how to do it now. Well, Arech Charlie is well from that. So, just grand out.
And you, the whole family, come on, get up.
Yeah, and Howard the coat.
Howard, come on your feet.
So, it goes like this. Dilwyn, can I borrow you a second, please? Can I borrow you? I'm going to get Dylan. So, this is how it goes.